Hello friends, in this video we have started the next subject of the mechatronics. The mechatronics. Okay, in this we have seen that the unit number first, that is introduction to mechatronics sensors and actuator. Unit number first, that is the introduction to the mechatronics sensor and actuator. Okay, in this we have studied that the introduction to the mechatronics and its application, measurement characteristic, static and dynamic sensor, position sensor, potentiometer, LVDT. What is the LVDT? Incremental encoder, proximity sensor, optical inductive, capacitive temperature sensor, RTD, thermocouples, force oblique pressure sensor, strain gauges, flow sensor, electromagnetic actuator, stepper motor, servo motor, solenoid, selection of the sensor and actuator. Okay, these all the topics we have considered in the first unit, that is the introduction to the mechatronics and actuator. Then why to study the now? First will be the why, means need of studying mechatronics. Need of studying mechatronics. Need of the why means why we study that the mechatronics. Generally engineering and technology was divided into the three stream. Means generally engineering and technology is divided into the three stream. Then three stream. Then what is this three stream? First will be the mechanical engineering. Second will be the civil engineering. Third will be the electrical energy. These are the basic three stream of the engineering and technology. That is a three stream, that is a mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electrical engineering, in which the mechanical engineering is divided into the means give the birth to production. The mechanical energy is the converted into the, suppose this is the production engineering, then robotics and manufacturing production engineering and manufacturing, etc. Means in which the mechanical engineering is birth these three stream, that is a production engineering, robotics and manufacturing. Okay, then electrical engineering. These are the electrical engineering, that is a branch out, that is electronics and telecommunication, that is it is called as the ENTC. Instrumentation, computer engineering, Okay, these are the new branches produced from the electrical engineering. Why it is a study at the need of the studying of the mechatronics? in which the engineering and technology is divided into the three stream. It is a three main stream. That is, the first will be the mechanical engineering, second will be the civil engineering, third will be the electrical engineering. In which the mechanical engineering, the birth of the production engineering, then robotics and manufacturing, then civil electrical engineering is give the again divided into three branches, that is the electronics and telecommunication, that is called as the ENTC, instrumentation and computer engineering. Okay, this is the three branches. It is a combination of the it is a combination of the three branches. We have studied that in a mechatronics. Okay, आता in which this mechanical energy production engineering म्हणजे how to produce the product and it is delivered to the, and electrical engineering in which the suppose this is the suppose industry in industry we have used as a sensor or various electronics parts to produce the production, that is in production engineering. So that is all this part will be combination of the these three stream, that is the mechatronics. Okay, then what is the mechatronics? Then what is the mechatronics? It is a main definition, means a technology definition, technical definition. Then what is the mechatronics? Okay, then what is the technical definition of the mechatronics? It is a field of engineering. It is a field of engineering which is a combination of several individual field such as mechanical engineering, such as the mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer and information technology, technology. Okay, then what is the technical definition of the mechatronics? Mechatronics, it is a field of the engineering which is the combination of the several individual fields such as the mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer and information technology. All the engineering technology, it is a combination of them. It is a various combination in a various individual field. This is called as the mechatronics. Okay, this mechatronics word is it is a combination. This mechatronics word, it is a combination of this mechatronics word, that is a combination of mechanical plus electronics, that is the, we say that the mechatronics. Means mechatronics, this word is arises from the, it is a combination of the mechanical and electronics word, that is the mechatronics. Okay, all the mechanical machine and processes are operated and controlled by electronic control system. All mechanical machine or process are operated and controlled by the electronic control circuit. Means by using the electronic control unit, all mechanical machine and processes are operated. Okay, and engineer knowing a signal discipline is not suitable to the work with such a machine. He has to have the knowledge of both the mechanical as well as electronics. Okay, suppose this one industry, suppose this in industry मध्ये one man will be taken as the both the knowledge of the mechanical and electronics, so that it is a basic part of the we have seen that is in the mechatronics part. Okay, in industry मध्ये various machine or mechanical is controlled by the electronic control system. Okay, today mechatronics is not to remain as just a single subject. Mechatronics has become a separate engineering discipline where the student will not do their degree, master degree, and denote in mechatronics engineering. Means in this case today we have today in mechatronics engineering we complete the master degree or various courses. Okay, almost all the diversity discipline are included into the one and studied as a mechatronics. Means all these branches is included in the mechatronics branches, and we have studied at this mechatronics branch. Okay, आता we have studied at the mechatronics. Okay, we have studied at the mechatronics, in which the first unit we have seen that the introduction to the mechatronics sensor and actuator. Why need to the studying the mechatronics? Means engineering and technology mainly is divided into the three streams, that is a mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and electrical engineering. Mechanical engineering again divided into the three, that is a production engineering, robotics, and manufacturing. And third will be the electrical engineering. Electrical engineering also the branches of the electronics and telecommunication, that is the ENTC, instrumentation, computer engineering. Then what is the mechatronics? Actual or technical definition of the mechatronics. It is the field of engineering which is the combination of individual fields such as the mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, computer and information technology. These branches are the combination where that is the mechatronics. Mechatronics means that is the mecha means mechanical, electronics means that is the electronics. That is a combination of the mechatronics. Okay, all the industries machine is controlled by using the mechatronics, or all the mechanical machine and process are operated and controlled by the electronic control system. These are the introduction of the mechatronics. Okay, next will be see at the next lecture. Okay, thank you. These are the mechatronics. Mechatronics is nothing but the mechanical plus electronics, that is a mechatronics. These are the basic introduction of the mechatronics. What is the mechatronics? का बरं आपण मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सचा स्टडी करत आहात? मेकॅट्रॉनिक्स म्हणजेच काय असतं, ते कोणकोणत्या ब्रांचचे असतात? इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सचा यूज करतात. इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये एखादा माणूस जर काम करत असेल तर त्याला मेकॅनिकल आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचं दोन्हीचं नॉलेज पाहिजे, जेणेकरून कोणत्याही कंपनीला नुकसान होणार नाही. त्याच्यामुळं आपण मेकॅट्रॉनिक्सचा स्टडी करणार आहोत. ओके, थँक्यू.